In the primary lessons, students add a syllable or sound to make a new word. You will see a skill focus that can be shared with students. We can add a syllable to the beginning or end of a word to make a new word. The hand motion for this uses two open palms. The teacher's right hand is the first syllable or sound, and the teacher's left hand is the second syllable or the rhyme, the vowel, and all of the letters after. We can use this hand motion to visually show students where we are adding a syllable or sound to make a new word. It looks like this. The teacher would say farm, and the students would say farm. Add and the word is farmer. We can put the two parts of the word together. Beginning in week 3, students will add an initial sound to a word or a word part to make a new word. The skill focus is we can add a sound to the beginning of a word or word part to make a new word. The same hand motion can be used with the teacher showing the left hand first to represent the rhyme or the word part and adding the right hand when we add the initial sound. It looks like this. The teacher would say "utch." Add at the beginning and the word is much. When adding a final sound to make a new word, the same hand motion can be used, but now you are adding the left hand to show the final sound. The beginning part of the word is shown with the teacher's right hand, and the final sound is added with the left hand. It looks like this. Say may, add k at the end, and the word is make. Within the primary lessons, you will see this hand motion become optional and is eventually removed altogether. The goal is that students will be able to add a sound without any visual support like this hand motion.